Alright, here we are at a hotel and we have a few air conditioners here. There's this ICP tin. No logo. It's got a golden skull compressor. It's from 2002. Let's just shut off. Here's a Goodman. And here's this Heil with, here's this ICP with some newer blades. Here's the Goodman, it's not running. It's got a Copeland skull compressor. It's not been on. Alright, this Goodman is from 2021. Here's this Heil. Yeah, it's a Heil. Heil 12. This one is from 2002. Here's some old P-TECH units. This one's not running, but the little one is on. This one's for the laundry slash office, and I believe it was from 2002. This one's also from 2002, I believe. Here's this one. It's not been running, I don't think. It goes to the lobby. I think that's from 2002 as well. Oh, nice. Trane. It's not been running. I haven't seen this thing run since I haven't seen it run this time. Even when I got here, it wasn't running. It's from 2006. It's like probably a 4-ton. And here are the last ones. Got a Goodman. And a Heil. This Goodman is from 2015. This Heil is from, I can barely read it, but it's from 2002. So the 3rd floor north. Anyway, I will do the outro back over there. Alright, guys, that's about it. Over and out.